Business owners are often asking the question, how can I grow my business? It's one of the number one concerns. Now there's a new twist to that question, and that is, how can AI help my small business grow? Today I want to talk about unlocking the AI miracle that your small business needs right now. So thank you for joining me. I'm Ric Bender. Let's dig in. Unless you want to wind down your business, you obviously want to grow your business. The caveat now is, well, where does AI fit in? Can AI help, and how can AI help? Today I want to talk about some immediate AI actions to take that can move the needle, change the metrics. Two things I would like to make perfectly clear concerning AI. One is, where is AI pulling the data concerning your company? And two, what is it that AI is actually looking for to actually deliver your business to a consumer's query within AI? Two very basic questions, but very, very important, because if you understand this, you'll find how AI will be changing business. Now, I want you to know that I've been involved in digital marketing for many, many, many years. Also, traditional advertising. I bring that up because AI is not unlike traditional advertising in one respect. So hang on to that thought, because this is going to be the challenge for many, many businesses. So, you've been working for years to show up on search, let's say. You've been optimizing your website, optimizing your content. You've been using long tail keywords. You've been using specific keywords. You wanted to show up as broadly as possible when someone searched that category. Now, this can either be a hindrance to you or a help to you. I want you to know that with AI, we still need high-ranking websites. Remember, where will AI pull the data? AI will pull data from every possible source you can imagine. Websites, social media, forums, wherever the case may be online, it will pull the data for you and your business, which this can be a tremendous help or, like I said, a tremendous hindrance. You still need a high-ranking website, because the higher the website ranks, the more authoritative, obviously, your data is. And AI is looking for authority, among other things, and I'll make that clear in one moment. So if you're just beginning your business, considering assembling your platforms, unfortunately, you want a fully optimized website. It's a must. It needs to be a high-ranking website. That work will not go away. But the site also needs to be optimized for AI, because AI is looking for something very, very specific. So you want content, consistent content that states your messages very, very clearly. And you want as much platforms as you possibly can handle, because the more, as long as the message is consistent, the better for AI to pull. So SEO isn't going away. High-ranking websites, absolutely necessary. Backlinking, social media, constant content, all those things are a necessity. But where search delivers broadly keywords, long-term keywords, AI does not work that way. Let me make this perfectly clear. What is AI looking for? AI is looking for EEAT framework. EEAT framework. What is that? Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. AI is looking for EEAT. I bring this up because it wants to deliver to the consumer, as they type in the query, They want to deliver the most authoritative voice in that space, the most trustworthy voice in that space, the one with the most expertise in that space. So, why did I bring up that I had some traditional advertising experience? In traditional advertising, you had to be very, very specific with your messaging. It was niche down. AI, you need to niche down. This will change a lot of business. AI wants to deliver a very focused message, and all the data that it collects needs to say the same thing, that you are the expert, the authoritative, trustworthy voice in this space. And the higher the ranking the site, as long as you are trustworthy, authoritative, and the expert, the higher probability that AI will move the needle for you, that you and your metrics will dramatically change. But this is challenging to many people because their websites miss the targeted messages. This is what we are finding right now. The websites and the content are too broad, and they're not actually hitting the target, and that target verifying that that individual or that business is the expert in that category. And this is what AI is looking for. An authoritative voice, a trustworthy voice, one with great experience, expertise as well. So the broad content within websites, social media is going to be a hindrance to you as you suffer or struggle along with AI. So what we are doing is narrowing down that content, becoming very, very specific, very, very niche. And this is a challenge for many business. But this is what AI is looking for. Well, thank you for joining me today. I do appreciate you spending time with me. If you're getting value out of the content, don't forget to follow at Riverstone Report and also share your thoughts. And if you'd like to reach out to discuss your business, go to my website, click on the link, learn more, and schedule a free 30-minute discovery call. Thanks again for joining me today, and I will see you next time.